Welcome to Glamour by NG, where we dive deep into the world of glamour and beauty. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the incredible Romi Rain, a name that resonates in the world of adult entertainment. But there's so much more to her than meets the eye. Let's explore Romi Rain's journey, from her early life to her remarkable achievements and some fun facts that you might not know. Nicole Torino, better known to the internet as Romi Rain, was born on January 12, 1988, to Italian parents in Boston, Massachusetts. She is 5 foot 6 inches tall and weighs around 121 pounds. She has a lot of tattoos, a few beautiful tattoos on her back, the distinguishable cat paw marks on her right calf, and others. Recently, she had also gotten a tattoo on her chest/neck area. Romi's early life laid the foundation for the bold and fearless personality she embodies today. She started out as an exotic dancer, after which she went to doing webcam shows. In 2012, she entered the adult film industry, quickly gaining popularity and establishing a strong fan base. Romi Rain's journey has been marked by several achievements, from earning prestigious awards like the AVN Award for Best Actress, to being featured in mainstream media outlets. Romi has proven that she's more than just an adult film star. Also, did you know she is an avid gamer? Romi has expressed her love for video games on multiple occasions, showcasing her diverse interests. Additionally, she is a fitness enthusiast and often shares her workout routines on social media, inspiring others to stay fit and healthy. Beyond the screen, Romi Rain is known for supporting various causes. She's an advocate for mental health awareness and promotes body positivity. In her personal life, Romi values privacy, but she occasionally opens up about her experiences and perspectives, allowing fans to connect with the real person behind the persona. And there you go, Romi Rain 101. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe.